Good evening, everybody. We're gonna do a test recording video on the Switch. So we're just gonna go ahead into Cuphead. Because Cuphead seems like something I can do. Alright, we got the staticky grain. That's very good. Very, very good indeed. Woohoo! It looks like that both sweep the root pack.
A great slam and then some.
Oh no!
And review.
Buttered, smashed, and bashed.
Here's a real high-class bout. Here goes.
Exiting the map so I can change things around real quick. I'm gonna mash the X button, which you cannot hear because it's under my desk. But, yeah, let's... Okay, first things first. Super Smoke Bomb. Super Art 1. And the shot is spread. In case you're wondering where I am at the main point of the story, I am, currently living with... It looks like I'm getting a message. Yeah.
A brawl is surely brewing. You're up.
Let me retry this, because I did not...
This match will get red hot. You're up. A great slam and then some. And review. A brawl is surely brewing. It's on.
test video, so yeah, let's see how that went.